What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I actually am going to be doing an Amazon favorites, which is really exciting because I've meant to do this for a while. I am obsessed with Amazon, almost a little too obsessed. I feel like I'm constantly on there just getting everything that I need. Like, I feel like Amazon has everything. So I'm gonna share with you guys my favorites that I feel like you guys need. So I actually just finished filming a video. That's why you'll notice my makeup and hair is the same. So just ignore that. But I do also wanna say I'm really sorry for the echo in here. I did just move into my new home and there's not that much furniture yet. So yeah. So I do want to give a quick shout out to Top Cashback because they are sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Top Cashback is, you need to know because you can get paid for shopping at your favorite stores, which I can't think of anything that sounds better than that. So to go into a little bit more detail, there are over 4,000 retailers that work with Top Cashback. So it's incredible. You can shop anything from makeup to home. I know Walmart, Target, Sephora, even Dollar Tree works with Top Cashback, so it's bomb. And also, of course, Amazon. Now, there are only certain categories that are eligible for the Top Cashback for Amazon. You can check which categories they are on the Amazon page on Top Cashback. But yeah, I think it's incredible that you can get money back for spending because let's be real, we're gonna spend money anyways. We're gonna shop till we drop anyways. So we might as well get a little bit of money back. I've been using Top Cashback for a little while now and I honestly love them. I feel like they're very easy to use, super user friendly, which I love because when I'm shopping, I want to get right to it. I don't want anything too complicated, but Top Cashback makes it really easy to go ahead and shop through them so you can get your cash back and save some money. So I think that's really great. Super easy to sign up. If you guys actually want to get $10 off your first $25 purchase through Top Cashback, you can actually go ahead and click the link down below. Like I said, Amazon is one of my favorite places to shop, so I love that they work with Top Cashback and you can receive obviously money back for your purchases. So I think that that's great. So I'm going to share with you guys today my favorite items and I will leave everything linked down below in the description box too. So a lot of these items have been my favorites for years. So I'm excited to share them with you guys because I feel like they never fit into a video perfectly. Like, they're always awkward to share. So I'm actually going to get to share with you all these random items. So this item is a mirror. It's actually going to reflect a lot, so I'm just going to aim it at the ceiling here. But this mirror is my go-to ride or die. I have searched for the perfect tabletop mirror while I'm doing my makeup for forever, and this is the perfect one while I'm filming. The reason why it's perfect is because, like you see, it pivots any way I need it to go, and I think that that's great. While I'm filming, it's really hard to find one that isn't too tall so it doesn't get in the camera frame. Also, what I love about this for doing my makeup is a lot of you guys are really a huge fan of my little mascara, mirror tilt mascara trick. That's what we're gonna call it. So one of my biggest mascara tricks is to do your mascara with the mirror really tilted. So don't do your mascara looking like this. Do it looking like this. Like, I look down in the mirror when I do my mascara, and that makes a huge difference because you really get to see the root and you really pull out. It makes a huge difference, trust me. So this is one of the only mirrors that actually allow me to tilt it back enough. It's also great for applying lashes. So this is just the best tabletop makeup mirror. If you're looking for a smaller, closer up one. It's also very light, easy to travel with, and you can turn it sideways if you're a fan of that. It's the bomb. So another Amazon favorites of mine is this hoodie right here. I guess you could say crew neck, kind of like sweatshirt. I have been buying these off of Amazon for forever now. They are my ultimate fave. They're actually by the brand Hanes, and they're literally they're so cheap. I think they're like $10 Canadian or something crazy like that. I just love the vibe of them, and they have such nice colors too. I have this in so many colors. I have this in this shade right here, which I believe is called sand, and then I have gray, I have black. These are my ultimate fave. This specific size is a large. I do own both larges and medium in this because it just depends what style I'm going for that day. If I want something more oversized, then I get the large or an extra large, and if you want something more loose, not fitted, but just a loose, then I go for the medium. And they also have fleece inside, so it does keep you actually pretty warm, especially in the fall and winter months. So I really love these. Now, another favorite is I always get asked what my nails are, and actually I'm usually always wearing OPI Love is in the Bear or OPI Put It in Neutral. And this right here is OPI. I put it in neutral, and I did buy it on Amazon. A lot of you guys ask me like, where do I buy my gel polishes? I usually don't buy my gel polishes because I do go to the store, but sometimes, or the salon, but sometimes the salon doesn't have the color. Anytime I'm going to like a new salon, sometimes they don't have the color, so I will bring my favorite go-to with me. Also, the new salon that I've actually tried since I moved, they don't have this color, and like I said, this is my staple go-to color that I'm always wearing, so I keep it with me when I go to the salon, and they use it, and I love it. It's the perfect, like, I mean, you guys see it on my nails. I need to get my nails done, but you guys always ask me like what my color is, and it's this or Love is in the Bear, both by OPI. It almost just looks like your natural nail, which I really love, because whenever I need a fill, you can barely tell that I need a fill because my natural nail will like blend in. So that's like my little secret to getting less manicures and spending less moolah every single month and year. So love these types of colors. Also, I usually only do 2 coats of this. It's very rare that I will do 3 coats. If I just feel like switching it up, I will do. That's my idea of switching things up. I'll do 3 coats of the same color that I do every single time. But yeah, I usually always do only 2 coats because I feel like it just looks more natural and really pretty. These have been like a lifesaver for me. These, I don't even know what to call them. Like when I was trying to search for these on Amazon, it was like hard. I had to type no crease hair clip or something like that. So pretty much what these are is, if you are doing, let me use the pink one. If you are doing your makeup, which I was doing this morning, but you don't want to crease, you ever put like the clips and then it leaves a crease? This is perfect because it has that piece right there that'll stop your hair from creasing. So while I'm doing my makeup, I can pin my hair out of my face and there will be no creasing. That's literally what I did today to pin my hair back while I did my makeup. So I love these so much. And funny enough, when I actually posted these on Instagram, I was really surprised by how many comments I got. I got a lot of DMs asking where did I buy these, and yeah, I got these from Amazon. Now, this I'm so excited to share because I constantly get questions about where my robes are from. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, a lot of my robes are from Victoria's Secret, but there are this one and then my white one that I got from Amazon. Now, the reason why I really wanted to share this with you guys is because I have been like dying looking for, well, I mean, I've had this for a few months now. Before I bought this, I was like searching and searching for the perfect like baby doll pink Victoria's Secret pink robe, and I was like, okay, yeah, get it from Victoria's Secret. So I bought Victoria's Secret's pink robe, and when I bought it, it came in the mail, it wasn't even pink. It's like a pastel blush. It's not really the baby doll like Victoria's Secret. Like I wanted the runway Victoria's Secret show pink robes that they wear at like the angel show or whatever you call it. I don't even know if I'm making sense right now. But yeah, I wanted like this really pretty baby doll bubblegum pink shade, and like I said, Victoria's Secret didn't have it. So I went ahead and bought this on Amazon, and it is perfect. It is a shorter length, so I love that because I'm 5'1", so this hits me just about above my knee. And it is like a wide sleeve. These are they're just perfect. I love doing my makeup and getting ready in these. It just makes me feel good. They're very lightweight because I'm the type where I get kind of hot and like, I like lightweight items. So I love how lightweight these are. They're perfect for just getting ready, doing my hair, doing my makeup. So this is actually a new recent favorite of mine. The other day, I actually saw on Instagram stories, someone was taking like a photo shoot of a home. And as they were taking photo shoots and videos, they had their laptop on a stand. And I was like, wow, how did I not think of that? Because every time I'm filming, for example, the video that I'm filming right now, anytime I'm filming a standing up video, I'll have to like run around looking for a table that I can put my laptop on. Sometimes there isn't a table nearby, so I don't know how I didn't think of it, but they actually sell these laptop stands. So if you're like me and you do YouTube, or if you're a photographer or a videographer or anything, this is perfect for having your laptop on it so you can, you know, see through the camera, through the viewfinder and everything like that. I use my laptop as a monitor for my camera, if you're curious. Okay, so something a little bit different than all the other items I've mentioned. One of my top Amazon favorites ever are these pendant lights that you guys see in the background here. So I have wanted these pendant lights for forever. Literally, I'm talking like a good 5 years. I remember coming across these lights from HomeSense one day like 5 years ago, and I remember saying to myself, when I have my home in the future, these are the lights I want in my kitchen. Like they were my dream kitchen island lights. And fast forward to 5 years, here I am with my dream, you know, Pendant Lights that I just adore, and I just love them so much. I love the clear glass with the chrome. I feel like they're just absolutely gorgeous. And it's just crazy how I've been wanting them for 5 years and I still wanted them when I got this home. Usually your style kind of changes, but I still love them. So I actually ended up finding them on Amazon, which I'm really shocked that I did, but I found them on Amazon and I love them so, so much. I do want to just mention, the only thing that's kind of wrong with these guys, that I want you guys to just expect, is that the bulb sits a little bit crooked in them. Like, they don't sit perfectly straight, which does bother me a little bit, to be honest with you. But I have tried looking everywhere for these, and Amazon is the only place that I can find them. Other than that, honestly, I'm in love with these. They're really good quality. It's just, you know, the bulb sits a little bit crooked, which you can kind of play around with it a little bit, but I just did want to warn you guys in case you do decide to buy them for your kitchen. Just know that that's how it is. So the other item I really want to share with you guys are these grocery and produce bags. These have honestly been amazing. So I've actually been using this for a while. I love this because it's structured, which is huge because I hate when my groceries are flopping around in a bag. Like, I just don't like it because I feel like things can break easily. This one has like more of a structured, like it actually sits up on its own. So I love that. And also it is insulated a little bit in the inside. So it's great if you're bringing home hot food from the grocery store, or if you're obviously bringing home freezer items, like items from the freezer. So this is great. I actually have 4 of these. I can't remember if these come in a 2-pack or not. But recently I have actually switched to using produce bags at the grocery store so that I'm not using their plastic bags. And I got this huge set. I only have 3 to show you guys because I'm actually using all of the other ones. They're all in my fridge. I'm trying to minimize, obviously, the amount of plastic that I use. I'm not perfect and I never will be, but I am trying to like minimize it. So now when I keep, you know, fruits and veggies in the fridge, I will place them in these bags rather than using the Ziploc bags. What I love is they're actually color coded. So these smaller bags are this medium blue color. And then the larger bags are the darker blue / teal kind of shade. And then the smaller bags are a light blue. So they're color coded so that you can easily grab and you know which size bag you are getting. It's great too because you can pull it and close it very easily. So I just love these. So these are just perfect. What I actually will go ahead and do is put these inside the bag, and then I'll put this all in my trunk. That way, every single time I go to the grocery store, I can never forget. Like, I can never be like, oh my God, I forgot my bags at home, because I'm always gonna have them in my trunk. Also, I forgot to mention another great thing about this is that it has a zipper. So that's really great too for you to be able to close your groceries if it's raining outside, or if you don't want anything to fall out, which is huge for me. If you don't want anything to fall out while you're driving, close the bag with a zipper. So I think this is the perfect bag. They're not extremely cheap. Like you would think that they would be, but they're not. But to me, they're worth it. It's a one-time buy. You don't really need that many bags because so much fits in them. I personally, like, we're only a family of 2, but we usually only use 2 of these bags, sometimes 3. I feel like if you have a large family of 5, you might only need 5, maybe 6 of these bags. Compared to normal grocery bags, you usually would bring home like 12 or 10 bags. I remember when my dad would go grocery shopping, he would bring home like 10 to 12 plastic bags, whereas if you just use these, not only is it better for the environment, but it's easier to carry in the house because you're bringing home only like 2 to 5 bags rather than like 10, you know what I mean? So that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my favorites from Amazon. I have loved some of these for years, and then some of them are recent favorites, but regardless, I love all these items and I feel like you need them. Also, you can get cashback through Top Cashback with a lot of these Amazon products. So go ahead and check Top Cashback out. Again, you can get a $10 sign up bonus off your first $25 purchase with Top Cashback. So go ahead and check the link down below. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.